A portable air conditioner makes it easy to cool down each room inside your home. So long as you can create a connection between this appliance and outdoor air. Even better, you don't need a second person to help you install a portable air conditioner like you often do with window units. In our testing, we found it takes just about 10 minutes to go from unboxing one to cool a space. Let's get started the list. Number 10, BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. Enjoy a comfortable home climate with this versatile BLACK+DECKER unit. It cools, dehumidifies, circulates air in the summer, and provides heat during those cold winter months. Offering immediate, uninterrupted comfort, this portable air conditioner features easy-to-use LED electronic controls and is quiet while you sleep. This unit comes with rolling casters and side-carrying handles for easy-to-maneuver mobile comfort and everything needed for an effortless installation. Keeps a room, home, bedroom, apartment, dorm or garage comfy during the summer months when the heat sets in. Works in double-hung or sliding windows only, no crank windows. To minimize noise and vibration, the air conditioner should be placed on a firm floor. For safe and secure positioning, place the unit on a smooth, level floor strong enough to support the unit. For better cooling, make sure all the windows and doors are closed. Connect the duct and make sure it can function properly. Also, note that microprocessor control delays the compressor from operating until 3 minutes have passed. Number 9, Frigidaire Portable Room Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire 10,000 BTU 3-in-1 portable air conditioner keeps your home cool and comfortable when and where you need it. Enjoy more cooling flexibility with 2 different fan speeds plus dehumidifying dry mode to keep your room cool and comfortable while also removing excess moisture from the air. Compatible with this mounting bracket and side panel. 3-in-1 with multi-speed fan plus dehumidifying dry mode. Enjoy more cooling flexibility with 2 different fan speeds plus dehumidifying dry mode to keep your room cool and comfortable while also removing excess moisture from the air. This air conditioner reaches more angles of the room for optimum circulation and cooling with an auto swing louver and 3 different fan speeds for powerful, yet smooth air movement. Easily move from room to room with caster wheels and handles, providing cool air when and where you need it. Number 8, Smart Dual Inverter Portable Air Conditioner. This LP1419 IVSM Smart Dual Inverter Portable Air Conditioner by LG provides a 10,000 BTU cooling capacity with a 500 square feet cooling area. It also features programmable on or off 24-hour timer, auto swing air vent, auto cool, auto evaporation system and LCD remote control. Inverter technology is a key attribute of the LG Inverter portable air conditioners. It is used in conjunction with a variable speed compressor and adjusts compressor motor speed to regulate temperature. This is more energy efficient than non-inverter technology portable air conditioners, which turns the compressor either on or off to regular temperature. Testing shows LG Inverter portable air conditioner saves up to 40% more energy than LG non-inverter portable air conditioner. Number 7, Smart Portable Air Conditioner. This portable air conditioner is the smart choice for versatile cooling. Cool your home from anywhere using LG Thing technology to control your air conditioner with your phone or use Amazon Alexa and Hey Google to have control of the sound of your voice. This quiet unit is ideal for cooling medium rooms up to 350 square feet. The unit has 2 cooling and fan speeds and a 24-hour timer to create a cooling schedule. The auto swing air vent helps direct the flow of air where it's needed most, whether cooling, dehumidifying, or just circulating air. If there is a power outage, the auto restart feature will automatically turn your unit back on when power is restored. Easy rolling casters allow you to efficiently move the unit to another location. Other features include an LCD remote control, easy window venting installation kit, removable/washable filter, and a check filter alert. Number 6. ARC 12 SDH Portable Air Conditioner and Heater. Cools up to a 400 square foot space. Patented auto drain function fully exhausts all condensate automatically in most environments with optional upper gravity drain port, dehumidifying capacity, 96 pints per day, airflow at high speed 320 cubic meters per hour or 188 CFM, 3 fan speeds. 3 operational modes, cool, dehumidify, and fan, full thermostatic control, 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Maximum power consumption. 1100 W or 10.5 A, power supply, extendable exhaust hose 5.9-inch diameter, window kit dimension, 6.5 W x 20 L minimum, 4.6 maximum. Unit dimensions, 17 W x 15.5 D x 31 H. Activated carbon air filter and washable pre-filter. Number 5. Penguino Portable Air Conditioner. A powerful, clean, and efficient cool you can feel good about. Delonghi's Penguino UV Carelight Portable Air Conditioner cools the room you're in, and has the added benefit of UVC technology, which eliminates 99.5% dust from the air and is designed to last the lifetime of the machine. Engineered between the heat exchanger and the air fan as the air inside the unit is cooled and directed back into the room. In addition to air conditioning, this 3-in-1 model has cooling, dehumidifying, and fan settings that are effective in rooms up to 700 square feet, so you can meet your optimal comfort levels. With whisper-quiet sound, you'll barely notice anything but the cooling sensation. The silver ion washable filter screens dust, hair, and other impurities, preventing them from recirculating into the unit then releasing into the air for an added layer of clean. Moving this unit from room to room is simple, with a durable handle and wheels to cool you when and where it's most needed. Enjoy the benefits of cooler, cleaner air year-round with the innovative Penguino UV Carelight Portable AC Unit. Number 4. Elite ARC 122DS Portable Air Conditioner. A key feature of this portable air conditioner is its compact size and dual hose system, which facilitates better space utilization and more efficient cooling. The Winter ARC 122DS portable air conditioner provides 12,000 BTU cooling output while maintaining a compact and portable profile. The dehumidifier mode allows you to extract 76 pints of excess moisture during a 24-hour period. Equipped with an intake and exhaust hose, this system allows for more air intake, cooling power, and constant air pressure, which results to a faster cooling rate compared to single-hose units. Save energy and money by setting the unit to run only when you need it. Using the 24-hour programmable timer, the ARC 122DS can efficiently cool your space before you even get there. The timer allows you to set the unit to cycle on automatically, or once it is on, you can set it to automatically turn off. Equipped with a remote control that can easily control the speed, temperature, and dehumidifier settings even from a distance, the Winter ARC 122DS also comes with rolling casters that will allow you to move the portable air conditioner room to room. Its programmable features, operating modes, and adaptable design make this unit the perfect option for keeping rooms up to 400 square feet cool and comfortable. Number 3. Packed 08WT Portable Air Conditioner. Just roll the unit into the room of your choice, attach the included hose and window adapter to a double hung or sliding window, and start cooling. This 4000 BTU compact air conditioner will keep you cool and comfortable all summer. An adjustable fan speed cools the air to 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the coolest setting. Sleep mode makes it extra quiet while you rest. This floor-standing portable AC unit provides steady, fast, effective cooling for rooms up to 150 square feet. It's the ideal small air conditioner for dorms, apartments, cabins, campers, offices, bedrooms, or living rooms. Just will this portable air conditioner into any room with a double hung or sliding window. Attach the included hose and window adapter, and plug it into an outlet. At the end of the season, just unhook and store. Top-mounted control panel with LED display. The simple remote control and top-mounted LED display with a 24-hour timer allow you to precisely control the air temperature. To clean the filter, just slide it out twice a month, rinse it thoroughly under running water, and put it back. Combines 3 energy-efficient functions for all of your cooling and ventilation needs with cool, fan, and dehumidifying modes all in one machine. Number 2, Portable Evaporative Cooler with Fan. Mimic the comfort of a cool lake breeze in your home with the slim Honeywell 194 CFM Indoor Evaporative Air Cooler, built to cool your immediate area up to 120 square feet. Couch, bed, workspace, breakfast nook. The unit is compact and easily portable for personal evaporative cooling. The tower design with oscillating louvers allows for the airflow to be distributed evenly, while the slim design makes it convenient to fit comfortably into compact spaces. The washable dust filter and easy-access honeycomb cooling media make for easy upkeep, while the remote control lets you control the unit from across the room. Evaporative Air Cooler offers an energy-efficient cooling option when the air is hot with low humidity, such as in desert areas like the southwestern United States. Consider portable air conditioning units or window air conditioners for those living in more humid climates. Number 1, Dual Hose Portable Air Conditioner. Features the patented advanced auto drain technology. The dual hose operation provides fast cooling 4 operational modes: air conditioner, fan, dehumidifier, or heat extendable exhaust hose, 5.9-inch diameter, designed to provide quiet and efficient cooling to any room. The Winter Arc 14SH portable air conditioner is specifically designed to be mobile and powerful. This dual-hose portable air conditioner is the ideal solution to keep any small space such as a bedroom, office, or server room cool. This unit features advanced auto-drain technology, which uses and recycles moisture collected during the cooling process to produce cool air. The dual-hose operation provides fast cooling. Dual-hose operation cools up to a 500 square foot space. The patented extendable exhaust hose up 0 to 5.9 inch in diameter